Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 and 2026 Honda Civic Type R, two of the most exciting hot hatches on the market. Honda has built a reputation for blending performance, precision, and daily drivability, and the latest Civic Type R models continue that legacy with style. The 2025 Civic Type R carries over much of the formula that made its predecessor a standout. Under the hood, it still packs the 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, but Honda has fine-tuned it for even better throttle response and mid-range power. With around 330 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, this car delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The 6-speed manual transmission remains a key feature, offering precise shifts and a real connection between driver and machine. The limited slip differential and rev matching system ensure that every downshift is as smooth as it is rewarding. In terms of design, the 2025 model refines the aggressive styling of the previous generation. The wide fenders, functional aero, elements, and massive rear wing aren't just for show. They improve stability and downforce at high speeds. The interior continues to focus on the driver, with bolstered sport seats, a redesigned digital gauge cluster, and Honda's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving into 2026, Honda has taken the Civic Type R to the next level. While the overall design remains similar, subtle tweaks improve aerodynamics and cooling. The biggest update is in the powertrain. Honda has introduced a lightweight hybrid assist system that enhances low-end torque and efficiency. This system doesn't compromise the purity of the driving experience, but instead sharpens throttle response and provides a slight boost in acceleration. Expect power figures to creep closer to 350 horsepower, making it the most powerful Civic Type R yet. Another key improvement for 2026 is the upgraded suspension. With new adaptive dampers and improved chassis rigidity, handling is sharper than ever. The electronic limited slip differential has also been refined, making cornering even more precise. These enhancements make the 2026 Civic Type R an even more capable track weapon while retaining its daily drivability. Both the 2025 and 2026 Civic Type R models continue to push the boundaries of front-wheel drive performance. Whether you're on the road or the track, these cars offer an unmatched combination of power, control, and practicality. Honda's commitment to performance engineering is on full display, and enthusiasts will appreciate every detail that makes the Civic Type R an icon.